Hey guys, welcome back to a video, or welcome to your first video you're watching. It's been a while since I uploaded, and I'm sorry. But today, we're in Primegames prison, and I haven't really uploaded on this server, or on this, because this is version 2. And I'm on my plot, and we're gonna see if anvils can attach this pickaxe to this pickaxe. And if it doesn't work, oh well. So, let's test by going to a mine that has iron. Well, if there is a mine. And there is. Alright. Now let's go back to our plot. We're gonna put that there, and it does not combine. What about a normal pickaxe? Oh no. A haste 1 pickaxe. The game's glitched. Too many pickaxes. This does not have smelting. Now shouldn't this pickaxe disappear? Oh well. Alright, since that didn't work, we're gonna go find a different plot. And we're just going to waste money. Let's check my balance. Bank. Okay. Current plot. Manage plot. Plot window remove helper. Band player. Public. Plot name. We're gonna call it bad build. Cause if I remember correctly, I can own up to like 11 plots or 15. So we're going to take this area and we're going to try to build a house maybe. we're going to use spruce wood. And we're going to start with the dimensions. Well, actually, tools. Why would they separate that? Alright, so we're going to do that. If it wants to work. And that would be like our little lead. One, two. 1, 2. I might need an axe. Why did I not think of that? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're just gonna mute the chat there for a second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't think I thought this through. Alright. So we're gonna make some slabs, stairs. Alright, so it's like that. Maybe if I do that. might put glass. No, that probably won't look good. Can you not place doors? Oh well. Maybe if I do that. Alright. That looks good. Minus, there's a hole right there. Alright, so I'll come back whenever there's actually something good looking. Or until I give up and just say that's the end of this video. Alright, update is we added these, some glass, and an outline back here. Even though it's probably not going to be that big, I might make it smaller. But completely forget that. I completely forgot to write down the prices of how much it took to make this house. But I don't really care because I can just look at my bank and check. Alright. So, I think this is all I'm going to do for today. And maybe next episode, I might have someone here helping me build this. Or not. Most likely not. Because I'm lonely. Just kidding. Because I don't really want to get other people involved in a self-project that could help me be a good builder in the future. But first I'm going to start by building the walls. And once I run into this door, which is now also out of blocks, even though I have all that. Alright, so let's check the balance. And there you go. Just check that from the beginning of the video to now, and you have how much I spent so far, which I will get whenever I upload this video. Write it down. So I'll write down the total cost of just building this one property, and I'll add that up. I'll have like a journal or something, like on the other plot. On this plot, which I just did this because I didn't want to have the blocks in the chest. But yeah, these. VMI. And while we're here, let's go open some crates. No, don't ask about this. I just did this to get paid extra money because I was bored. It was a better way of passing time than wasting some of your money to my stuff. Alright, let's go to spawn. Alright, we're just gonna get more of those. Woo. Cheap but good. Springs. Yeah, that's what gives you jump boost. Yay. 64 steak. And a rare key. $1,000. And like, I think. I don't know. Alright, let's go back to plots. And let's put our golden apples right here. Oh. Ah. Stupid name colored. Steak. Cooked beef. What if I just... Now I'm lazy. We could make a farm on another island for carrots and, you know, every island just because, I don't know if you know, but I could just get, nah, it'd probably be like a live stream project of me just mining dirt for like, I would say that project would probably take a couple of hours just by myself. I might get Dead the Gamer to help, maybe, but I don't think he would want to do that. I would probably have to buy all the shovels, and he doesn't have fly like I do, so these boots might come in handy. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.